Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making these cake pops. To make these cake pops, you will need 1 box of white cake mix, 1 stick of butter, 1 1/4 cup of water, 1 pan, a bowl and a spoon, and some cake pops sticks. The first thing we are going to do to make these is we're going to melt this stick of butter. Now that I have melted my butter, I'm going to take my 1 1/4 cup of water and pour it in and mix. Now that my butter is melted, I'm going to take my cake mix and I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Then I'm going to take my butter that I melted and my 1 1/4 cup that I have poured into the bowl and pour it into my cake mix. And then I'm going to mix it. Now that I have mixed all my stuff together, I'm going to add in 4 eggs to my mixture. Now that I have mixed in all of that, I'm going to add in some red to make it a little prettier because it looks really yellow, and the reason why I put butter in it instead of oil is because the butter makes it pop and makes it taste so much better. So now I'm going to mix this and then I'll show you. This is what my cake mix looks like right after I added in the red food coloring. It looks pink, but it's pretty. You can tell I had a lot on my hand. It really stained it. But now I'm going to add it into the pan and we're going to put it in the oven. Now that I have it in the pan, I'm going to stick it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So as right now, it still has 13 minutes. This is what the cake looks like. We are going to make our own icing. You will need 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and vanilla extract. If you do not have icing, you can make your own, but I don't have any, so I have to make my own. But you could just buy some if you wanted to. But this icing is going inside the cake mix. So to make this icing, all you do is combine all your ingredients together and then you will mix it with the mixer. This is how the icing turned out. Now I am going to stick it in a Ziploc bag and wait till my cake mix gets done. Took my cake out of the oven and I have took that much out and stuck it in a bowl. Now I'm going to take the mixer and I'm going to mix it till it has crumbs. Now this is what the cake looks like when it's crumbled. You're going to have to let it cool for a few minutes, and then you can take your icing, and then you're going to put it in there. I have my icing in there. I'm going to have to mix it up. I did not stick the whole thing in there because then it'll be too sweet. But once I mix it up, then I'm going to form the little balls. Now that I have my cake balls rolled out, I'm going to take my white frosting that I made, and I'm going to drizzle it over the top. Now this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take my cake pop pieces, and I'm going to stick it in there like that. And this is what the cake pops look like. They're so good and so pretty.